Alright guys, what's up everyone, and welcome back to this daily cryptocurrency video. In today's video we're going to be having a look on how to stake your money, how to earn passive income on Binance, crypto.com, or pointpay. Guys, it's very important because a lot of people have money out there and they have no idea how to stake it or how to earn passive income with it. So that being said, let's just have a quick update on Bitcoin right now that I made. Nothing too crazy to see here over here, guys. We are still in a descending channel, as you guys can see. So we've been bouncing up and down between this channel. Now, descending channels are usually bullish, guys, but in my opinion, we might come back down one more time to 31,000 before either popping to the upside or to the downside. It's going to be very interesting to see what happens. I did call a rejection right here at 37,000 a couple of days ago, if you guys saw my video. So anyways, that being said, let's move on into the Binance platform first of all. So there's going to be three platforms I'm going to be having a look at today. The first one is going to be Binance, how to stake your money on Binance and earn passive income. The second one would be crypto.com, very reliable in Europe, UK, and America. So for those of you guys who don't have access to Binance International, for all you American citizens, you can use crypto.com. The second one would essentially be pointpay. Pointpay is an ICO that I got in at 15 cents essentially. Currently right now is 40 cents. The price keeps increasing because a lot of people wanting to get into it. As you guys can see right now, we have a 13% increase in 7 days and 22 hours. And yes, you could stake your money on here and pull out. I've tried it. So they have a working product yet, even though they don't have even though they're not live to trade yet. So this is going to be a very interesting project that they will be going live at the end of June, between June and July. So very interesting. Anyway, starting with Binance real quick. The first thing you're going to do right here is you're going to go on wallet, of course, at your home page, and then you're going to click on earn. Okay, once you click on earn, guys, you're going to have a bunch of stuff right here: products, history, Binance stake, saving, lock history, DeFi staking, and so on. Of course, it's going to be unlocked and lock staking. Now, you could do Ethereum 2.0 staking. You could earn up to 20% APY if you're holding Ethereum. But of course, guys, by the way, it is compounded. But of course, you won't be able to pull out whenever you want because it is lock staking. It's not flexible, and they don't know when the upgrade's gonna finish. And as you guys can see right here, it may take up to 2 years, essentially, for you to redeem it. Your stake cannot be redeemed during this phase. So that being said, if you guys can't afford to have 2 years worth of money or locked essentially and keep getting 20% APY compounded, guys, remember compounded, then it is definitely worth it for you. Anyways, going back into the earn, the first thing you guys want to do essentially when you're for flexible staking, you're gonna hit Binance staking products. Okay, you're gonna have a bunch of stuff right here. These are lock staking, of course, and these are all the lock stakings right here. And you could choose whatever APY you want, or not whatever APY you want, but you could choose how many days you want. So as you guys can see, the lower it is, the more you'll get, but it's not necessarily like that. There is a trick to it. I'm gonna explain in just a second. So 15 days you would get 57%. 30 days it would be lower. 60 and 90 it would be essentially better. Anyways, so let's have a look with Matic, guys. Polygon Matic. A lot of people are saying, oh, Polygon Matic is currently 43%, 43.2% APY in 15 days. No, that does not mean that you will get essentially 43% in the next 15 days. That just means it would be like this. I'm going to do the calculation with you guys. So it would be like that. Okay, and the other catch, guys, is 15 days you could only stake 210 Matics. Okay, so very interesting, and it's not a lot, guys. It's very interesting. Anyway, so what would the calculation be to this? Okay, well, you would do 43%, okay, divided by 365, because this is yearly, guys. Remember it's yearly. Okay, and then you would do times 15. Okay, and then let's say you're staking 210 Matic, then you would do times 210. Okay, so you would essentially get 3.7 Matics. Okay, times I assuming the price is 1.35, let's assume. I forgot. So you would get $5 in the next 15 days. Now, is that bad? No, it's not bad, because these rates you won't get anywhere in the market. And let's assume Matic does go up to $10, then this can easily be $25. Okay, but now let's have a look at the 30-day for a second. Okay, or the 60-day. No, the 30-day, because the 30-day you could stake. Now, the 30-day, we do have a lower APY, and this is not very eye-catching for people. A lot of people are saying, oh, 11% in a year, that's nothing, this, that. Okay, well, let's have a look, guys. Let's have a look. First of all, you could stake right here 50,000 Matic, guys. 50,000 Matic. Okay, so let's assume you redo it every 30 days. Okay, every 30 days you would do 11% times 50,000. Okay, 50,000 is very, very reasonable, guys. You would get 5,500 Matics, guys, not dollars, Matics. Okay, now let's assume Matic does go up to $3.5, even $4. That's $20,000 a year, guys. A lot of people get confused and they're like, oh, 30 days is nothing. But guess what? You could restake it, and guess what? 50,000, and you could keep, you know, reoccurring, keep getting on $20,000, and you could keep staking it every 30 days. So going back to the 15%, I mean the 30% right here, this is very, very good. Okay, now let's assume you stake it every 30 days. You could literally make passive income like that. How would you do that? Okay, well, let's have a look. You would do 11% divided by 365. Okay, and then you would do the percentage. No, sorry. Then you would essentially do the percentage. Here, let me redo this, guys. 11% divided by 365. Okay, you would click that enter. This would be, okay, your essentially your passive income. Then you would do times 30, okay, because you're staking it for 30 days. Now, what are you going to do? If you have 50,000 Matic, which is very doable, once again, you would do times 50,000, okay? Times 50,000, guys. That's $452 in 30 days, guys. You're going to tell me that's not good? That is freaking amazing. You are not losing money at all. This is free money right here. Sorry, guys, not $452, 452 Matics. Now, let's assume, okay, you want to, Matic is $2, okay? Guys, this is $904, okay? A month, $1,000 approximately, or almost a month, guys. That is ridiculous, and that is fantastic. That is fantastic, and a lot of people aren't looking at that, and they are, you know, paying attention to that. And these are insane numbers. And you know, $1,000 a month is free money, and you could essentially restake it, and the compound effect would be even better. Look, guys, we have easy right here, 47%. Now, if I stake this now, of course, only 70 easy, nothing too crazy. So, of course, now it might be a little bit eye-catching, the high, essentially the high APY, but you want to do something reasonable. Look at that, Seller. Seller's a very good coin. I have Seller for 30 days right now, 12.45%. You could do for 90 or 60 days. So, of course, I wanted to do for the 90 days, but unfortunately, it was sold out. The 60 days was also sold out, but now it came back. So this is very, very, very powerful, guys, and in my opinion, it's something that everyone should be using, and everyone should be essentially staking, especially in this bear market, because you are essentially losing money every day. And it doesn't matter if it's $1 or a couple dollars or a couple cents, because these couple cents and couple dollars can essentially be or worth a lot and down the line. So let's assume that you do hold this for, I don't know, for a couple of years. And, you know, Seller right now currently being traded at 3 cents, and it goes to like, you know, $2-3, guys. Are you kidding me? Those sellers, guys, those 2 peanuts that you were earning every day are now $200. So yeah, making money is not easy, of course. You know, it takes time. You have to be patient, and this is why, you know, the richest people like Warren Buffett, this is why he is where he is, because of dividends and passive income and earns and all sorts of things. Anyways, so this is the Binance, of course. I'm gonna be moving on right now to the crypto.com. As you guys can see, earn up to 8.5% on your crypto. Of course, this is per annual, guys. PA is per annual. The rates are not as good as Binance. The Binance is APY. That means it is compounded. This is annually, guys. So it's 14% fixed. And as you guys can see right here, Bitcoin up to 8.5%, Ethereum up to 7.5%, and USDC, which is a normal stable coin, up to 14%. Now, let me put this clear, guys. There's a catch to this also, okay? You have to be staking right here, Crow, in order for you to have that. You have to be staking Crow. Now, if you stake Crow, let's assume 400 or less, then you're not going to get the 8.5 APY. The 8.5 PA only works, I'm assuming, if you have the highest tier. And as you guys can see right here, 14% here, beautiful right here. Crow staking 40,000 or more. As you guys can see, it changes. So yes, it is up to 8.5% if you're staking 40,000 or more Crow. You know, they do have different packages, of course. If you have 400 or less Crows, and I believe this is USD right here. If you have $400 or less, as you guys can see, it's not 8.5% anymore. It's essentially 4.5%. So that's a little bit annoying. Crypto.com does say 6% for 4,000 and and for 400, but for and for 40,000, sorry. So they all say the same for the crow. So for the crypto.com crow, it's the same for everywhere essentially, but the USDC 40,000 is 14%, 4,000 is 12%, and 400 is 10%. So, you know, at the end of the day, it depends on you. I don't like to stake my money on crypto.com. Of course, if you live in America, that might be the best opportunity or best chance for you. Another thing, guys, is pointpay. Pointpay is it's an amazing platform, decentralized banking, of course. In my opinion, it's going to be the future of banking. As you guys can see right here, you could earn APR right here. They even have gold, guys. They have Tether gold. You could hold gold, digital gold on pointpay. So and you could earn passive income essentially. Now what I like about this is that you don't have to be essentially holding as much as you can, or sorry, you don't have to be holding like 40,000 or 30,000. It's the same for everyone essentially, unless you're holding pointpay.com. I'm gonna get to that in just a second. Now, as you guys can see right here, Bitcoin 6.1% APR, Ethereum 4.6% APR. So this is essentially fixed. You got Tether right here, 8% APR. Now, the thing that I like the most is actually pointpay right here. Why do I like pointpay? Because pointpay, you could get up to 30% APR if you're holding essentially a million token. Now, this token, guys, was actually worth I believe 5 or 10 cents. 10 cents, yeah, it was worth 5 cents at the first round of ICO, and then it became 10 cents, and now it's currently 40 cents, guys. So that thing went up 400% since the beginning. I got in at 10 cents, of course, and as you guys can see, we do have a price increase in 7 days and 21 hours, so approximately next week of 13%. We should expect this to go live by the beginning of July, mid-July. It's going to be very interesting. They raised already $50 million approximately, so this is a project that everyone has to watch. As you guys can see right here, pointpay number one, the best blockchain startup. Now, the reason why, that was in 2019, of course, the reason why they didn't launch in 2019 was because they were in a bear market. Crypto was in a bear market. Crypto was dead. No one liked crypto. Everyone thought it was a scam, so they decided to delay that, which is absolutely okay in my opinion. So anyways, guys, nothing too crazy to see over here. If you guys have any questions, put in the comment below, and if you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.